Hey, Peter Gregg, Miami, Florida. Welcome to the Christmas Room.
Sit back, relax. You are about to watch a Peter Gregg video. Something warm, human, and wonderful happens when you watch Peter Gregg.
Hey guys, I'm still enjoying the Sony a7 Mark III, and I was watching some videos the other night. Many times I get into bed and crawl into bed with my iPad, my new iPad. It looks the same as my old iPad. So I'm watching a video, and lo and behold, a friend of mine has decided, hey, I'm going to make a video about cameras. As a matter of fact, he decided I'm going to make a whole channel about cameras. So he's a friend of mine. We do communicate. We write back and forth. His name is Casey, and the name of his channel is Vegetable Police. He comments quite often in my videos. So I'm watching, and he's talking about cameras. Now I know that many of you guys, including me, we're in the YouTube world. We're fighting to make it somewhere, to grow it somehow. And here I am looking at a friend of mine that's created a new channel. So I'm watching, and it's all about cameras. And the name of his channel is Camera Conspiracies. And this guy's got quite a personality, very different than anybody you've ever seen. I was so surprised. And he talks about his favorite YouTubers. And wouldn't you guess it? I'm one of his favorite YouTubers. Who would have me as their favorite YouTuber? So anyway, I said, how you doing, Casey? What you doing? You know, and he says, oh, I'm playing. I watch so many cameras, and I do so much studying with the cameras. I decided, hey, why not open up a channel on cameras? He's in Thailand. Casey is a young guy. He got ill, and in an effort to get himself fixed, apparently the doctors weren't doing it, he started working on different kinds of diets. And so he learned how to diet doing this, and then he learned how to diet doing that, and then he learned how to diet doing that. And then eventually he said, well, I'm very much into vegetables. So he picked everything up that he had. All four things. No, I'm just teasing, Casey. He picked up lock, stock, and barrel and moved his little butt right over to Thailand because he wants to eat the vegetables that are grown in the fields and the fruits and whatever, and he's over there and he's making videos from Thailand. So he decided, what the heck, I got nothing else to do. I can imagine in Thailand, nightlife has got to be like super, super interesting, right? I'm just teasing. And so he decided I'm going to start a camera channel. So I said, well, I'm going to give my buddy a shout out and say hello. And I wanted you guys to go take a look at him. He's very different. So I'm going to give you a warning just so you have it up front. All right. He's a very different personality. He's not this is a shutter and this is an f-stop. There's a lot of personality in his videos for Vegetable Police. Vegetable Police is the name of his major channel, and it's quite a large channel. The new one, I don't think it's older than a month old. I didn't go to check, but it kind of surprised me that it was there, and it got me all excited. Hey, my buddy's doing cameras. So it's got to be maybe a month, 2 months old. So I wanted you guys to go over there and give him a shout. So how are you going to go? The name of the channel is Camera Conspiracies. Camera Conspiracies. Camera Conspiracies. What are they conspiring about now? Casey's going to tell you all about it, all right? So go give him a shout out. You know what? I'll put the link down below. You know where to find the links. As a matter of fact, what am I shooting with? The information's in the links before. What's the settings? The information's in the links below. What's my name? The information is in the links below. Okay, so go say hi to Casey. Take a look at his channel, and if you like, subscribe. And I've made quite a few friends on the internet over the years. One of my oldest friends goes back to 2003 or 2004, and he also is in cameras. He specializes more in answering questions that people present in the comments. His name is Matt, and it's at Art of the Image. I'm going to put his link below too. I'm generous today. I'm in a generous mood today. I've got a camera in here now where I can walk around. I could talk to Jingles and say hi, Jingle, and it keeps me in focus. What camera is that? I'm glad you asked. It's the Sony a7 Mark III. I can, just like with the Canon with the dual pixel focus. Let's go say hi to Jingles. He's sitting over here. He's looking at something at the tree. And this camera keeps me in focus. And you better not stab me in the back while I'm not looking at the little camera over there. But it seems to do better than the A7R Mark III and does better than the A9. That's my opinion. But I've only had the camera a few days, so give me some time. I'll find out some of the stuff. So anyway, I enjoy being able to talk and walk around and tell you about things. So, you know, that's kind of what I do. But Matt at Art of the Image, I'll put the link down below, just the same as Casey. So you're going to go visit Casey. Then you're going to visit Matt. And while I'm at it, I've got another friend that I talk to 2-3 times a week on the phone. And his name is Justin. Justin's not in cameras, so cool your jets. You don't have to get all excited. But he just made an awesome, amazing video. And I was just watching it just not last night, I think the night before last. And he decided that he wanted to outdo somebody that made a really big hamburger. He's into barbecuing. If you see his backyard, which is in the videos, he doesn't have 1 or 2 barbecues. He doesn't have 3 or 4 barbecues. I don't know who else is an eccentric like me that would put Christmas time all year long and have 1, 2, 3, 4 Christmas trees in the one little room. You didn't even know I had 4 Christmas trees back there, did you? That's why I wanted the f1.4, so this way you can't tell what's back there. But anyway, Justin made a 20-pound hamburger on the barbecue grill. One of maybe 10 or 15 grills that he's got in his backyard. Now, the interesting thing and why I'm bringing this up, I'm bringing this up for a reason. And it's not serious, thank God, nobody was hurt, but something catastrophic happened while he was making this 20-pound hamburger on his grill. And he even brought some friends. Justin has this habit of getting together with other barbecue YouTubers. And they all get together and they are all, you know, videoing the barbecue from this angle and from this angle, and they flip it and the flame flies up and the smoke goes up and everybody's there trying to catch it with their cameras. I would love to visit, you know. He's not in Florida, he's that away. What state is Justin in? He's in Texas, good old Texas. But he's making a 20-pound hamburger and something terrible happens. It all works out. Nobody got hurt. There was quite a bit of damage done all over the place to his property, to his car. It was crazy. And a bunch of YouTubers, right? So guess what they did? They grabbed their cameras and they all started videoing it. After Justin made sure that all the family was safe and the dog and whatever he's got, you know, they all started videoing this. And it's all caught on tape. And I'm watching and my jaw drops all the way to the ground. Drops all the way to the ground, for those of you who don't understand when I'm talking like that. So that's another one. I'll put that in the link too. So now you got to go watch Casey, you got to go watch Matt, and you got to go watch Justin. Justin's got an awesome video, 20-pound hamburger barbecued on the grill. Matt answers all kinds of questions, right smack in front of you. And Casey, he's new. He's new to the camera thing. What do you call it? YouTube world. And I do have another friend up in New York or New Jersey. His name is Magnus. And he just did a really, really cool video. And I watched it last night, actually. So this is a shout out to you, Magnus. And his channel is Magnus. And I think he's like under 1,000 subscribers. So if you and me can't get him up over 1,000, then I don't know what we're doing. I think he's got like 985 subscribers. Let's get the guy over 1,000. Go and visit Magnus and get him up over 1,000. He's got a 5D Mark IV. He's got a GH5. He's got a Sony NX1, a very rare camera. And he does all kinds of neat things with the cameras. He does have a full-time job at like a major company like Apple. Bigger, you know. He is full-time, but he's got his YouTube channel, and he makes very nice YouTubes. And he's a friend of mine. We do talk on the phone, I was watching the video from last night, and he shows how he made a 6K video, I think he said, out of his 5D Mark IV. And I'm going like, what? So I watched it. Very informative. So let's get the guy over 1,000 subscribers, okay? I know that between you and me, with the amount of subscribers that we got here, we can get him over 1,000, okay? And none of these guys have asked for me to give them a boost. The only one that I did mention that I was going to do a shout out to was Casey, and he said, give me a shout out. And that was the one that was surprising. I didn't even know I had a camera channel. What is Casey doing with a camera channel? So I'll put the links to these 4 guys, whatever I just mentioned, in the links below. It's exciting because I know so many of you, I've even helped some of you guys start your YouTube channels personally. On the phone, I've talked with you guys, helped you select cameras. So it's exciting for me to see. And sometimes I make a really good friend. And this has happened over the course of the years. And that's why these are guys I interact with that I just mentioned. I just wanted to share them with you. Let you see the Sony a7 Mark III in operation. See my pretty face? No, you don't go for that one. All right, I wasn't going to sell that one too hard. All right, so that's the channel for today. I mean the video, the film, the movie for today. I just wanted to share, you need to see the catastrophe that happened at Justin's at Baby Back Maniac. Baby Back Maniac. And he got it on film. But they did manage to make a 20-pound hamburger. I can just taste it now. What would I put on there? Probably lettuce and tomato. Do you say tomato or tomato? Tomato. You know, it's potato, tomato. All right, I'm rambling. That's it, guys. So go and watch these guys. I'll put the links in below. You will enjoy them. You know, you're going to love Casey's personality. It's very, very different. I did give you the warning, right? So when you go over there, say, what can you say? Peter says hi. Is that a good thing to say on somebody else's channel? Or Peter sent me? Or hi from Peter. Yeah, tell him hi from Peter, because I'm saying hi, even though I talk to these guys on the phone. I don't talk to Casey on the phone. He's in Thailand. My phone don't reach from here to Thailand. It's too far. Casey, please come home, okay? All right, so that's my video for today. A little off, right? This is not something you were expecting. However, if you do go and look at these guys on the links below, I think you're going to find them very interesting. You guys that are into feeding your bellies with barbecue, you're going to love Justin. He does great work. And also, it just makes your mouth water. As a matter of fact, I'm talking to him because maybe I want to do a little bit more cooking on my other channel. So anyway, Peter Gregg, Miami, Florida. I'll catch you guys later, all right? Have a good one. Bye-bye. Whoosh.
You have just watched another Peter Gregg video. Something warm, human, and wonderful happens when you watch Peter Gregg. Thank you for watching. Description of all equipment used in this video, plus any notes Peter took while filming, are always placed in the description box, show more box, or down arrow thingy next to the title on mobile apps. Duly noted.